Want to generate AI reports from your sources in Gemini Notebook? In this video, I'll show you how reports work and how to create one. I'm using the same Sherlock Holmes notebook from my previous tutorials, which contains the complete Sherlock Holmes books from Project Gutenberg, along with a YouTube video and a website. Instead of asking individual questions, let's use all of those sources to generate a report. To get started, click Reports. You'll see several ways to create a report. There are 4 main formats: create your own briefing doc, study guide, and blog post. Depending on the contents of your notebook, Gemini Notebook may also suggest report templates. In my Sherlock Holmes notebook, I can choose options like character analysis report, case management review, investigative method primer, and literary character profile. For this example, I'll select character analysis report. If you choose Create Your Own, you can simply describe the kind of report you'd like Gemini Notebook to generate instead. While selecting any of these options, you can also click Edit to see exactly what the report is going to focus on and adjust it if needed, so you can refine the output before it's generated. After selecting a format, Gemini Notebook analyzes your sources and starts creating the report. This may take a few moments, depending on how much content is in your notebook. Once it's finished, you can open the report and read through it. If you want to make changes, you can edit the report directly. You can also export it to Google Docs or Google Sheets, share it with someone else, or delete it if you no longer need it. Reports are a great way to turn your sources into structured documents without writing everything yourself. Whether you're studying, researching, or organizing information, you can choose one of the built-in formats or create your own to generate exactly the kind of report you need. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Gemini Notebook tutorials. See you in the next video.